Hey everyone, this is Pratiksha Jain and I'm going to be your sugar makeup expert for the day. Since this is the festive season going on, we meet a lot of friends and family. So today I'm going to show you how to do makeup on the go. So let's get started. So I'll be starting my base. For that I am using Goddess of Flawless SPF 30+ BB cream in the shade 02 Macchiato. So I'll be taking product on my fingertips and applying it all over my face, making sure that it blends well. This BB cream is a great product for on-the-go makeup and is long-lasting as well. Since it's an on-the-go makeup look, we don't have much time, so I'll be showing you a quick eye makeup look. So I'll be using the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 02 Firework. I'll be taking medium brown shade from the palette and applying it all over my crease, making sure that it blends well. We're going to just quickly apply it. So I'll be taking this rose gold color on my finger and I'll be applying it all over my eyelid. The shadows are super pigmented, incredibly smooth and easy to blend. I'll be taking this black and purple shade from the palette and applying it on the outer corners of my eyes to add a little more definition. And now I'll be doing the same step on other eye. Starting with the outer corners, blending it well, forming a V shape and then smudging it out. If you're doing your makeup while traveling, this palette is great as it comes with a dual-sided brush as well for you to do your makeup. As you can see, it comes with 5 matte shade and 5 metallic shade. The shades they have picked are just amazing. You can also use it for your brows. So just love the colors. So let me just show you a hack with this eyeshadow palette. So I'll be using this taupe grey shade for my brows and I'll start filling my brows. This color works perfectly for my brows. When you don't want to carry a lot of palettes, this is a great idea and an ideal palette to travel with. These days it's less of makeup and more of glow, so don't forget to add highlighter to your face. I am multi-using this palette, taking this bright gold shade and will be using it as an highlighter. Highlighting the cheekbones and the brow bones. I'll be taking the brush and using it for the inner corners of my eyes. Same bright gold highlighter. So I'll also be adding this bronze gold shade. I'll be mixing this shade with the bright gold highlighter just to get that perfect highlighter color. Since we are traveling and we don't have much time for precise eyeliner application, I'll be using this Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade 01 Back to Black. I'll be using this kohl into my waterline. Make sure you rest your finger for a steady application. This kohl is super pigmented and feels really creamy. That's it, we are done. So moving on to the lips, I'll be using Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade 03 Poison Ivy. Choose crayon over liquid lipstick as they are easier to apply on the go. So this is the final look. So if you enjoyed this video, just like, comment, share and subscribe to our Sugar Cosmetic channel. Bye!